The interconnection between NeoGate TG and Elastix can be achieved in 3 ways. We will demonstrate the most common way, peer-to-peer. For the other 2 ways, please refer to our configuration guide. Firstly, we do the configuration on TG web interface. Click Gateway. VoIP trunk and add a VoIP trunk. In trunk type, choose Service Provider. And the type is SIP. Fill in the name. And the hostname/IP is the IP address of Elastix. The port is the default 5060. Click Save and apply changes. We can check the connection status of the trunk. In Status, click Trunk Status. The status shows OK. Secondly, we need to configure Elastix. In PBX page, click Trunks under PBX configuration and add SIP trunks. Define the trunk name. And in trunk details, enter the information of NeoGate TG. Click Save and apply changes. Next, we need to check the connection status between TG and Elastix. Click on Embedded Free PBX and enter the username and password. In Free PBX Admin Console, click Admin, Tools, and *CLI. In the command line, enter SIP show peers. And click Execute. We can see the connection is successful. First of all, we need to configure an outbound route on Elastix. Still in the PBX page, click Outbound Routes. Define the route name. And fill in the prefix. Select the SIP trunk that we created previously. Save the configuration. Next, go to the web interface of NeoGate TG. We will group the mobile trunks first. Enter mobile trunk under Gateway. And add a new mobile group. Define the name. and select the strategy. Move the mobile trunk from the left to selected. Click Save. Next, we will configure the route. Click IP to mobile and add an IP to mobile route. If the simple mode is yes, then you only need to choose the call source and call destination. The rest of the settings will be the default ones. If you select no, you can configure more detailed settings. Fill in the route name. The call source is the service provider trunk we created previously. You can configure the rest of the settings as needed. And the call destination is the mobile group we just created. Also configure the rest of the settings as needed. Click Save and apply changes. Now we will use the extension of Elastix to call an external number through mobile trunk of NeoGate TG. The external number rings. The number displayed is the number of the mobile trunk picked by NeoGate TG in the mobile group. Configuration is only needed on NeoGate TG. Click Mobile to IP and add a new route. Decide if you want to use simple mode. Then define the route name. The call source is the mobile group we created. Configure the dial pattern and callback as needed or skip it. The call destination is the service provider trunk we just created. Skip the rest if not needed. Click Save and apply changes. Now we use an external number to dial the mobile number of NeoGate TG. After the call is connected, dial the extension number of Elastix. The extension rings. Pick up to answer the call.